Have you ever wondered how plants in large gardens stay vibrant and healthy despite the fluctuating weather conditions? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery. The answer, my green-thumbed friends, is not so secret after all. Well, the secret lies in an efficient garden irrigation system. A garden irrigation system is a planned, efficient network of water distribution, designed to ensure that plants receive the right amount of water at the right time. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating concept. Picture your garden as a small-scale ecosystem, perfectly balanced and reliant on a steady supply of water. This is where a garden irrigation system steps in, serving as a lifeline for your green space, ensuring it thrives and flourishes no matter what weather conditions are thrown its way. Let's break this system down into its core components. First, we have the water source, which could be your mains water supply, a well, or even collected rainwater. This water is then distributed through a network of pipes or hoses, reaching every corner of your garden. Next, we have the irrigation devices. These are the sprinklers, drippers, and soakers that deliver water directly to the plants. Each device has a specific role, whether it's providing a gentle mist for delicate flowers or a steady stream for thirsty trees. It's this intricate balance of components that makes the garden irrigation system such a vital tool for gardeners. So, a well-designed and maintained garden irrigation system can ensure your plants thrive, regardless of the weather. Now that you've learned about garden irrigation systems, it's time to put this knowledge to use in your own green spaces. Imagine the joy of seeing your plants flourish, all thanks to a well-irrigated garden. Remember, a healthy garden is a vibrant garden, and it all starts with the right irrigation. So why wait? Get started on your gardening journey and watch as your green spaces transform before your eyes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.